Malai lau mahali e aho e ki mo lele e tonga ko toa pe fia ki u talitali lele ki mo tolu ki ho mo ngā hiongongo mo le tio kai uma a foki televisione tonga ki he hoani i he wakai ko ia ki ngāhi ulo i o ngongo. Whakailonga i e ki palemia no pele whawhanua ai e po ki maho inga ko au sia he takimu a whawhine i whalealea pe take the lead i hono whrawa honau fuafua office i e senta whawhanoa ki hono wharaivia ai tau kei mo i ka hao ko ia e Tongatapu. Ho haa he whawhafonga kakai o Tongatapu nima ki he whapaanga he puleanga ai kau whalau e toko waono ki he mamata ka pulu liki a Australia he wanaua wha. Ka koe toko wanoa pena e whalau i he paanga ne wahei ki he toko waono. Pea tapau me sosa i he tikolo skola atonga e whie mao ke toi whapotopotoange ai kakai i hono ngawe aki o e vai keuhi koe keiwhi aololo atongani moe lala a. O kutoi ei pe ngahi tala noa kehe ana iangi pehe e tau wakai ki ngahi o ngongo koe ia mihe malai o e sipoti kai uma a ai wakai ki he toonga o e ea. Koe wakai lewa eni ki he whakai ki iki, ko au liliani polutele. Kua ausia e he take the lead pe takimu a whawhine whalealea makamaile mahu inga i hene whako whatongia mai whakalakalaka koia o e kakai whewhine mo e Tongatapu whakatou osi hili hono whrawa e ki palemia no pele whawhanua ai fuafua office ke whahoko whatongia mia i e takimu a whawhine ke hika mahu inga a hono whatongia ke hono whakaivia whai ai mo teke ai vi malawa mo tau ke i e whanau Tongatapu mo i kakai whewhine ki ngāhi lakanga whakataki o a ope ki he taki i whalealea. Ne kau ki heni a hono whailongai e ki palemia no pele whawhanua ai polo kalama ngā o e whingai aki i loa lea whapelitania koe Social Impact Incubation Hub ke toko ni ai Tongatapu. Ai a koe whingai ki koe tarana koe ia mo i maho ingai polo kalama whingai aki koe ni Social Impact Incubation Hub mo li teha tau kapo.
Koe o whisi fo o e takimoa a whawhine o i e senta whawhanua i mauwhanga. Nai whailonga eni e ki palemia no pele whawhanua i he whiawhi ane a whi. Whataha e mono whailonga e pe hono fuafua kamata i e polokalama whengawe aki i loa koe Social Impact Incubation Hub. Whakatau mua eni ke ne toko nia e kau taki iki mo tau sii atongani mo ngahi ngāwe ke pe. I kai ngatai, ka koe Social Impact Incubation Hub, koe whainga mālia ia maa e Tongatapu e whanua ke nau tau a tāina i ono vahe mo whakotuu e nau ngahi tau mua. Mawai a whainga mālia hanga tonu ke a koi mo whahino hino ki nau tolu mi e kau taki o ku tau kei mo e kau matao tau. Mo a toko niofi ki ono whakalakalaka e nau ngahi tau mua. Ia whamatala e pule o e Take the Lead, Elizabeth Kite, nāne pehe koe ofisi fo oni, kua hoko ia kua wheitu hao, mo malu, ke unga kiai e nau ngā ue maa e Tongatapu. Pake toi lelei mo lahiang e nau ngahi ngā ue whakaivia o kwhai maa e Tongatapu. Lolotonga eni, nai mea e palemia no pele whawhanua, o kuange he polokalama Social Impact Incubation Hub, ai whainga maalia ke Tongatapu ke whanongoa aho naule o. O hakia e nau ngai whakakaukau whakafuitui, pia ke nau ngau e whakataha, mo mauha ngai whaunga ki whakalelei a ki a palo palema o nau whianga ngai moia i o nau kolo taktaha. Nāne mea, hei kai malawa he pule anga toko taha pē ke whakahoko i ngāwe i a te ia pē. Ka, kua pau ke nau whingawe a ki me ngai kautaha ke he kehe o au pē ke tūku i kolo, Society Civile, Sektoa Tautaha mo Tongatapu. Koe uhi koe mau inga e whatongia o i toko taha kotoa pē ki e langa whakalakalaka tu uloa ai whonuani. Nāne whalotolahi eni ki Tongatapu a mau inga o i hoko koha taki, pe oa e tatali ke nau wa o matua tua pe toku whai e ngā ue whakataki, ka te nau lava lelei pe i he lolotongani i a ngai tapa pe o a ngā ue. Kai kehe, koe ngā ue kōlanga o makatungai e he whakaivia whakapaanga ai pole anga a Australia. Maongonga le tio me televisione Tonga ko auritea tau kapo.
I he ngahi ka vengana e o hake i he whemea aki koia ai whalealea i he wikeni na i e tokanga ki whaiha whakatatolo whakauliliki ai komiti paanga e whalealea ki he paanga ne wahe ki he toko waono ke wholawatu eni o mata akapulu i pe akapulu liki Australia he ta wana wa fa aya kono fra pa anga eni me he pa anga ngawe pule anga ko e hili eni hono o hake e he whafofonga kakai o Tongatapu ni ma ki whalealea toke tā ai sake value ke loro tonga eni whimea ake ko miti kakatohi autu si te i he li bōti whakatau ai ati ta seniale wana wa wha wanima pe wanoa wanima ko e whakaigi ke tala noa ko yang ke howani mo senolita tui vai.
Ko e tokanga ka uhina e wahe i ke whakapaanga toko waono ka ko e toko wanoa pēna e malawa o wholau, ka ko os wahe i ai e paanga ke whakapaanga ai toko waono. Kono whehu ia eni e toke tāeke pe ko whea e paanga e toko ono ne i kai ke wholau.
E whai e whataha ia kaha toa mo e upotu ngā ue, ui mo e kau ministra mo ka toko poupou mai. Ko e meani ko pau ke tau ngā o i whakataha ke whengai ke Soroban. Ko tue hui pia mo ngā hei poate, hui mo komisioni ai kau ngā whapureanga, hui pia mo nai pe kore e ministra ngahi ngā o, ngahi potu ngahi PCC, pe kore ke kau mai. Ko hui ke tau whapau, angi ula ki he ko pehu i ula, ko hai mea ku hoko hai mea koe ni, ua, ko nau ilo ke mea koe ni. Tolu ko hai mea te nau whai, ko hai mea o ku tau e whai a whee mea koe ia, ko hai tene whai, to ngai whehu ia whaangu ke tau solo vareo. Ko tui ko ngahi mea i hange ko tau tolu whare rea ko toki mao ngai whamatala au kore peke kala ke manga whamatala ko hi ko tari ko asi i he report atita i he tari a whare pa ai a whare rea ko ke fu tame whakatonga ai mea pe ka kuna ngai whamatala o mai po whamalo ke kala ke na mai ko tu pe ton ke tokanga ko fu ka fola o he na toko uano na o mata kapul i he mea i he eri ki ka ko whamanati te nai ko ha tohi ave takai pe ha hei o ko me pas me ada to ko wano ke o pa o pe wano to to ko on ko ma mai whamatala me kala ke pe ko foi me ko ni ko foi fotutu ke to ko wano ne ke lava alu foi to fotutu ke to ko wano tani ko ngai me pa ko re ki se ko tau to lo fa re tau no tau ko tu tau ngai ka to ngai to ki eu que eu tô hoko ai ngai mea ko ni pa ko tui ko ngai mea pa ko ke ka ko re to o pau tui foi ko me panga
Kai ke hene tuku whali pōti ko ni ke komiti paanga me komiti whawhipaki e tae whai totonu ke whai a whatotolo whaaurili ki ai ki mua pe a whawhoke li pōti ki whale alea. Kai ke hene hoko te wheme ake ki li pōti whakatau e aten seni ale ka nei whakotoi whawhafonga kakai o Tongatapu whaama ten tapu eluelu o kuna tula tatau pe e toi ngai ngahi li pōti pe a kuna unau wange ke tuku hi whakotoa ke ngai komiti whekau aki ke whai ahano te siofi whakalelei ke mo a pia li pōti ki whale alea. Nei tali kotoa eni he whale o tutu une se whale alea ke whakakakato kotoa e ngā ue ko ia kai toloi whanongonongo ai hoko atu ai whale alea. Kai kehene tutu une pe e ksea leo leo e whale alea i hono mawhai whakalao ke whakanofo i whakafonga kakai o Tongatapu whitu pi event pi ukala ke sea i he komiti lao ai whale alea pakatuunga me i he mao ai lakanga whakaminista ai sea komiti lao ai a koe whakafonga kakai o Tongatapu oloa ki te vitapu loka. Whatatau ki he tuu ai lao mo konistu tone o i kai ke sea ha minista i a komiti i whale alea.
O kuiei hoha a me society kolo skula a Tonga ke tuunga o kuiei e mawanga vai i Tonga ni o tau te whito eni ki ngai vai whanua ko tūwa atu kiai ai whakaha o i lala a aia ko Tongatapu ni e ua muha apai. Aia ko e tokanga he kua la Nuku'alofa pe i he tuunga whatu tamaki eni whima o vivili ai tuunga o ke i ngai vai whanua ni i he lala a e mahino o kutoi sisi i ange ai avalisiko ia e uha o kuto ki he whunga e whanua i he anga mahini. Ko e toka ngā lewa i he lorotongani ke toi whakapato poto ange ai kakai o he whanua i hono ngai aki koia e mao anga vai o ku mao i he lorotongani. Ko e whaiki mo senolita tui vai ai pe.
I he whai ke eke a ngonga le ti o Tonga me skeli tali seniale society klo skula a Tonga se oni tau mo i wholau nā ne ukia e kakai o i whanua ke ngawelelei a ke whainga maali e ko e ni i he tō mai ai uha i he lorotonga ni ke tānaki ai vai pe whapapau i o kutui ngai whakatali ke tānaki ai vai ke ngahi tanke vai no.
Koe o ngonga mo koe ni na kamata mai pe me masuni tau ni ono mai he kamata ea ki Tongani. ya kono moni mana ke pulo ki loko to mama pa e ka fonwa a mau inga kon ki foto e me vai ko nga ya la ne mo wai fang ia fwa ko dai mi tau pato ha pe Tongatapu au pe mo wawa no ngoni wa mai na wala ki to ko mari watu ko ta me ko ke to ka ko ki ko re ki na to ko ki tau ko na ko atali wa ke o tau man na ko atali ke po pa wa ki o ko pa pe to ba ba me tau ki vai pe ta ko fito ki na yo tu moto na pai mo wa ko mo ti wa ku pa i mo ta ga vai tu ya ko yo ko Tongatapu ni pa ko to ga ma ke ia ko ta wai tu ne mo pai nga we ai pule anga pa mo ki ba to ki ba wa tu nga ni tin ke di we ta i to vai ka ku ko ta ya ko nga we mama pa pi da pi ki pa ke ho wa fa de ya pa sene le ta to ai bila no pa gi me ko ti kale ke ta me fo ke me ia ku Tonga mo tu andia ni ta ke ta pe o mai fu ni tin ke ni di ta ai ke vai pa vo mai fu ni tin pe me ta ai ke me ko ti ka de ko au si ko no ga aki i pa ke de mo no ko me ko ti ka de ona ko no pa na ke ka o tu ku ke te nga aki ka hoko mai ta ko ma o mo tu an la ta na ni tin ko ta pe ko mai i ko nuan ko me fu na to ta ha ki si le vai
Lo tonga ni ku tuku mai wa kai matangi a tonga e whakafofua e tuunga o la ala a ki he mahina e ua ka hoko. Ok mahino ko swahafa ofisiale a haapai Tongatapu mo e ua, ai au kei whakatukanga toka teu pe ai ngoni wa mo wawau. Ka i he whakafofua e wa kai matangi a tonga e whakahafa ofisiale la ala a ni wa Tongatapu e whakaosinga e mahina ni, pe e tok whakahafa ofisiale e tuunga la ala a ni wa fo i e whakaosinga o e mahina kato o. E tok whahafa ofisiale lewa ai mai whanua wawau i e whaosinga o katopa. I he ene pehe koe uhi koe whafofua e ka kato kotoenga he mai whanua i he tauni pe i he la ala loa o ke hoha alahi ki he vai inu pe ke vai ke li ke te whapotopoto i hangi a hono ngawe aki. O mahino ko ostuku atu me ngai sektoa taktaha i ngai whatokanga i ngai wesia e hoko o ka aukai wesia he ngowe vai mo uye tangata mo i ngahi me ake he pe. Mai a ngonga le te o me televisione Tonga kwa o sanoli tātu i vai.
I he gongai whenga i potu ngāwe a ko me office from pastor a siapani i Tongani ki hono teke poto i ilo ai tamasi i anko me tāhine anko kotoa pe i he whai whika. Ne whara ua toa i ki he vai whanua e wā i he wikeni ai whiau i Soroban wha vai whanua a ene ka mata mai meiha pai pe he ki wawao i ngahi wike ko mali wato. Ne hamusi ai e ako lau tohi pule anga koia o tā anga, ai kona e whiai Solopani a e wā ai ane whahoko ina niafi, me ngahi ako anga lau tohi e ono e pule anga, ne nau kawatu ki he whiau hini. Ko e whakaiki ki mo e whaiongo ngai whaleni ai ako Mele Sunside Vea.
Ne whiunga mai whanau ako e wange o ne nau kawat ki he whiau hini. Ne waki he ikuna ai ako lotoloto o honua, pia tolu ki ai ye lau tohi pule anga o tofu vai. I e whakamatala ko tuku mai me office whakaampastoa a siapani, ko tau mua ai whiauhi ko e ni ke te whalalahi e ilo me tau ke whika ai whanau ako. Nei sivi aki pe ai tuu ki mua aki alelei taha i he wawe taha mo tonu e nau tali. Kai kehe ko kakato eni ai whiauhi Solopani e ngahi o tumotu pe ai hoko mai ki Tongatapuni i he wike kahau. Pe ai tok whiliwhili me ai, ai lelei taha i ngahi wahe taktaha ke kau i whiau i Solopani whakawhonua i Novema o e taoni. Mai o ngongo o le tio mo televisione Tonga, ko au Sunset TV.
I he kuonga mo e taimi ko lahi ai hake mai ai whakalakalaka o i kuonga pia kalaske kehe ai mea ngawe mo e nau whakateknolosia o ngai aki pia lahi ai ne puke ni mai taimi ko ia ai kakai o e whonua o a ope eniki he whanau. O koha ai e potu ngawe tāmate a whikeu hi e malawa pe ke hoko ha mama tupu mi hono ngai aki o fuuto tuape ngai aki o hulu atu ai ngahi nau ko nilorotonga o whamo ui ki he palaki ai ngahi nau teknolosia o hangi ko ia ko e telefoni to o. I ene pe heu whamamawha i ai e he komisiona tāmate a whisina pe komisiona tamate afi eni ai ko William tu hala maka ai mahu inga ko ia o tale vai lango ke mama o te lia whahinga whatu tamaki e ala hoko ki e whanau pe kakai e whanua. Whakaiki ki mo sinoli tātu i vai.
I e whai ke eka ngonga le te o Tonga me komisiona e potungai tamate afi William tu i hala maka nane pihe ko e toka ngā. Ko uhi ko hake mai whakalakalaka teknolosia i lero tongani, pea kua maulahi e he whanau e nau taimi i he ngawe aki e mea ngawe whakateknolosia kai palaki pe ki he uhi la. O kau ki hene ngawe ake telefoni kai whakawhonu pe he ki he fuuhulu anu ngawe ake keimi o palaki ki he televiso nei.
Koe ngahi api no whoanga, o kumau toi futokanga pe ki ai. Ko uhi ko e tunga koni o kutau iai. Ke whapapau i mua e ngahi mauanga iwi ko ia uhila, e ngahi apno whaanga. Ke whapapau i pe o kutamate, pe te toki mawahe ni o to api, pe ko no oua e ngawe aki, ngahi palaki ke overload, ngahi mea ko ngawe aki ke ngahi mawanga iwi ko e uhila. Pea ku whai whakono whatonga i koe kore atu ki e ngahi mātua me tai whanau. E nau whanau ke tainu ku nau wa inga ki e ngahi keimi i he TV. Ku lawa pe foki ke wa inga pe whanau ia i hafo i tainu loa. Pea e malawa pe ke ne whakatupu ha vela i he kouhi pe koe fu mawhana. I e tainolo koe e nau whakahoko koe ai keimi. E tain tatau pe foki ku mau whampe ke whapapau e mātua ai masi ke mama o au pito pe tuku make hea me he longai whanau ke oua e ofi ke teknau tolu he koe nau mau pe e lava ke nau wa inga ke masi pe hoko ai ha whakatamaki. Ai ngā tai, ku tatau pe ki e whaunamu, pe mo e te lango, ke tuku ai ngai mea ku malo.
Ne te ia tokanga ka uhi koe alu ke te moa nge whungai whanua i he taimi la ala a, po ke ai whakatokanga maalunga ke ni i tokanga i he taimi ok nau tutu ai. Koe tokanga, ka uhi ok te moa nge ai vao, pe te māmalo he meha vili, ai ok whaavavea nge ai totolo ai vela vao.
O tō ngālahi pēr potunga oe koe uhi koe tūnga ko o ki ai e whanua he taini mi ku hange koe ngahi whakatokanga mai mi he wakai matangi. O toi fu moa ange fungai whanua i he lo tongani. Ka koe whaamuia e potunga oe ke toi whakapoto ange ai ngā oe ku whai. O tatau pe i ngai apno whaanga pe foki ki tōkanga. Ku osi tōtou whakahoko atu pe ngahi whakatokanga e potunga oe ki tau te whito ki tōkanga. Ku lahi apito e hoko e ngahi vela wao i he rotongani. Ku lawai ke wesia ai me ngahi ngoe anga kihe. Ku ka ngata pene moa pa ku toi ki yang mai mo hawiri ku whai ngata au pito i he taimlahi ke lava ke ta ofia ai mafola koe vela e ne hoko koe i uta ka ngata pe ai ku fatu tama ke au pito ka pau e wesi ai ngai mon man pe foke ngai ngowe ku pe foke ngai api pe ku tu i uta aku mau tokanga pito ke tawhako e ni ke toi fu whakapoto ange ai whakaukau koe e ni koe ni kuo ki tokanga ke whakapapau ke oua e whakahoko hanga hi tutu ka pau ku hawiri a hoko ia sayang e hono tuku ku hi ke tuku ngā maari patoki hoko atu rewa e teiteu ngā oe koe e i tokanga.
Kai ke ngai whakatokanga toka mo ai potu ngai tamate awhi ki kakai o whanua ka ui koe mahu inga ai tā ai lango ki mama o. Mai ango ngā le te o me televiso ni tonga ko snoli tātu i vai.
Ko e uniongongo whalota whanua ia me le te o Tonga uluaki ka maa televisione Tonga ke Hawani ko ngahi o ngongo mihi malai o sipoti hoko mai o kahili eni mo piea o lie.
Malo mai tau ki whilonga ki ko wakai ni ki malai o sipoti. O ku whakawhiha ke teuteu a timi ai Palestini ki he vaiwaanga o mounga e varesi i hiri ai wike ua whamaro sino ai timi ki hono tari ai ahi mai koia mi Australia ai timi koia First Nations and Pacifica ki he whiauhi o ipu kaume au whi. I whamatala mi he pore ai timi whiro ka lawhia kau ola ki he ngonga reti au ma television e Tonga o ku lere i matangi e teuteu ai whanau ki he whiauhi o mahina kato o. Nane whahawhokea ku whakaraka au pito e toko wawaru na e unuhi mai mi e whiauhi whakawahe koia wahenga Tongatapu na whahako koia i he mahina kua o si i he te waki koia o i waingani o tonga whamau sino ane a whi.
O spirifiri whai timi ko toko wawaru ya tana kebe ma whai toko wha ko i kautari whakia ya ko e pia ni he kua la hoko whatamaki ai wala whetongi hake whai i roto. Ai ko wiki hono ua pene mau teuteu, ko simu weekend, ko wiki hau rewa te mau nofotaha rewa. Ya mo wiki hoko mai, ai ko wiki uraki a ko September. Ai rewa ki unu e ngā nofo hotel. Ya teuteu ai peke e vai ngā. Ko e whai ako ko pene haki waru, ka tokon peke ai a Filisau, ka peka pasuka mapakaitor, ka koe motoani o kupure i he timi tiro ka ora.
I he taimte tau o ku whakarakalaka e teuteu ai timi, neongo i ai e ni nei whakaamu ke huruni mai i he whanau koe ni, ka ana i kai whenā pasi e nau whie ma o moe tau mua ai timi Palestini.
Ke maungai ke marai koe kolo motoa mo nau ngai nau nafa whamasino, ke toi waweange maungai i teuteu whai. Whakarakalaka pito ai tunga koe ka wainga. Ka koe ka wainga koe ni, na to ope ia pia me he nau tolu, na nau kau, i he au i whakawahe. Ora be mo tamai ki na toki venga mai ki na humai kana kai ki na kau e fai vai ai pe kore fa mori ka ki na toro e kai ki lava ki fa hoko e fatoki a ko ia ki na toro ai au dai dimi ko ki na toro be na kau ko ia e fai vai ko na to si ona toro pe to me ki mi ko ni
na e kore ai be he pore e timi e popo ka kai o fonua ki teu e mirimiri sino he a ho flight ko e fa ko ia September i teu ko ia ke taitare timi a hi.
Kora ke Tongatapu mo bobo mai ke mo lava mai ki te whaiwa a wha ko e September a whalai te ia ko matapa ko ke te tong ka kuia i tau mua ai inga ko ni o kuia no tau mua ko ta whaamu pe ka ko lahi ngoi tau popo ko ki ai i ai sio ai ni he na toka ngai whakapanga ka polu a seria ngari na ko halanga whanonga e lava a tonga ni ai o hangi ko whanonga ko hala whanonga ko ia e trua ko a Fiji o ia wate whaafe ke Tongatapu mo lava mai tau fe ngau popo he ko ngau kon fai ko ni malanga polu ngau e lahi apito o tonga whakahau ko tai ni
Kai ke he ua e to Ameria pure ai timi ki haola lei i he teu ko ia ku whakahoko amanaki ko ia ki he ono pao toloaki e tariniti o e whanau whakaroto whanua. Ko e malai pe ia e sipoti.
Ka tau toi wakayangi pehene ke ngahi ulo i o ngongo. Whakailonga i e ki palemia no pele whawhanua ai e po ki maho inga kua o sia he takimu a whawhine i whalealea pe take the lead i hono whrawa hona fuafua office i e senta whawhanua ki hono wharaivia ai tau kei moe kaha o koe ai tau tupu. Ho haa he whafufunga kakai o Tongatapu nima ki he whapaanga he puleanga ai kau whalau e toko waono ki he mamata ka pulu liki a Australia he wanoa wha, ka koe toko wanoa pena e whalau i e paanga ne wahei ki he toko wano. Pea tapou me society kolo skola a Tonga e fie mao ke toi whapotopotoangi ai kakai, i hono ngawe aki o e vai keuhi koe keiwhi aololo atu a Tongani moe lala a. Moe kakatoi pea o ngahi o ngongo me letio kai uma ai televisione to ngā ke howani me whakaamu ne au taki koto atu pea ki lata whale koto ape. Kai malo e tau keiwhi au mai ka mōme a.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga News for tonight. Making headlines. Take the Lead opens new office and Tonga first social impact incubation hub. Parliament calls for probe into government-funded rugby league trip for 26 people. And fire service warns of fire risk from children overusing of technology. We have these and more stories later on in the bulletin together with sports to wrap up with the latest weather updates. Now for the stories in details. Take the Lead Tonga has officially opened its new office in Nuku'alofa and launched the country's first social impact incubation hub, providing young Tongans with a platform to develop ideas and turn them into initiatives that benefit their communities. The new hub was officially opened yesterday by Prime Minister Lord Fafanua during International Youth Month. Lydia Tongatapu with more on that story.
During the program in his keynote address, Prime Minister Lord Fafanua said the hub provides a dedicated space for young Tongans to be heard, think boldly, collaborate and develop solutions to challenges facing their communities. It will give young people access to mentorship, training and practical support while also creating opportunities to test their ideas, build networks and connect with experienced leaders and practitioners.
This Social Impact Incubator program is the first of its kind here in Tonga, and I hope it's not the last. Creating a dedicated platform where young people can develop and test their ideas with experienced leaders and practitioners, be able to access mentorship and training, and gain the practical support required to take their ideas from concept into action. The reality is this is more than simply developing projects, full projects. Programs such as this we are launching today creates unique spaces for young Tongans, our future, to be heard, to think boldly, to collaborate, to challenge ideas and develop solutions to issues today. This is the perfect example of youth empowerment, enabling them to productively contribute to our society. I'm pleased to announce that applications open today, and I wish all of those who apply every success, because initiatives like this are critical to continued growth and development of our nation.
Meanwhile, Lord Fafanua said building Tonga's future will require a collective effort while encouraging young people to take up leadership opportunities rather than waiting until they are older or feel completely prepared.
Government cannot do this work alone. Building Tonga that we want in the future requires an all-of-country approach. To play their part, government, communities, private sector, civil society, and importantly, the majority of our population, our aspiring youth, must realize their potential. We need the energy, we need their leadership, we need their ideas and innovation. We need to give young Tongans the confidence and the opportunity to shape the future of our country and contribute to the place where they live.
However, the founder and CEO of Take the Lead, Elizabeth Kite, described the launch as an important new chapter for the organization, which was established in 2017 with a mission to educate, equip, and empower future Tongan leaders.
Today we are opening the doors to our new home, something that has been a long time coming, many of you will know. And to be honest, it is something I was initially quite reluctant to do. For years, we have managed perfectly well without a permanent office, and I question whether the additional cost was really necessary. But as Take the Lead has grown, so too has a need for a space that can properly support the work we do. More importantly, provide a place for young leaders to come, connect, and engage. And today also marks the beginning of a new chapter with the launch of the Take the Lead Social Impact Incubation Hub. This is a first for Tonga, and I'm incredibly excited about that, about what it can mean for young people who have ideas, who want to create change, and who may simply need the right people, space, and support around them to help turn these ideas into something more.
The initiative is supported through funding from the Australian High Commission and is designed to help young Tongans move from ideas to action and create positive change within their communities. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Lydia Tongatapu.
During the parliamentary debate this week, there was a call for the Parliament Finance Committee to conduct a detailed investigation into the funds allocated for 26 people to travel to watch Rugby League with the trip funded by the government. The issue was raised by the People's Representative of Tongatapu 5, Dr. Isaac Eke, regarding the Auditor General 2024-2025 report. The concern was that funding has been allocated for 26 people, but only 20 were able to travel, while the money had already been allocated to cover all 26 people. The question is, where is the money for the 6 people who did not travel? This report was referred to the Finance Committee and the Anti-Corruption Committee for a detailed investigation before the report is returned to Parliament. However, debates continue on the Attorney General Annual Report, and the People's Representative of Tongatapu 4, Mateni Tapueluelu, proposed that the remaining reports were similar and that it would be more appropriate for all of them to be referred to the relevant committees for further thorough scrutiny before being reported back to Parliament. The House accepted this, and the Speaker of Parliament directly that all of this work be completed while announcing that the continuation of Parliament will be adjourned. Meanwhile, the acting Speaker of Parliament, Lord Ihangana, decided to direct the People Representative of Tongatapu 7, Biven Piukala, to be appointed as the Chair of Parliament's Law Committee, following the appointment of the committee previous chair to a ministerial position as the People Representative of Tongatapu 1, David Tapuloka. According to the law and the Constitution, a minister cannot serve as chair of a committee in Parliament. Because of the drought warning level for Hawaii when Tongatapu has turned red, there is a growing concern about the condition of water supplies, both drinking water and water used for everyday purposes. The concern is because parts of Tonga are experiencing drought, and the effects of the drought are beginning to be felt in drinking water supplies as a result of the below average amount of rainfall falling across Tonga. Let's take a look. Speaking to Radio Tonga News, the Secretary General of the Tonga Red Cross Society, Soneta Moifolau, urges the public to make good use of the current opportunity to collect rainfall and to ensure that the cutters and other water rain cutter system are properly connected to that water can be collected into drinking water tanks. Meanwhile, the Tonga Meteorological Services has released a forecast of the drought situation for the next 2 months. Hawaii, Tongatapu and Ewa have already been declared to be experiencing drought, while the Tunius and Vava'u remain under preparedness warning. According to the Tonga Meteorological Services forecast, Tongatapu is expected to be officially declared to be experiencing drought at the end of this month. The drought status of Nuku'alofa will then be officially announced at the end of next month, as Vava'u region is not expected to be officially declared until the end of October. Because it is forecast that all islands in Tonga will experience prolonged drought this year, there is serious concern about drinking water as well as water for other uses, and people are being urged to conserve and use it more carefully. It is understood that each sector has already issued warnings about the impacts that are expected, including impacts on agriculture, water supplies, human health, and other areas. The popularity of the traditional Soroban competition continues to grow in Tonga following the completion of Ewa Island Soroban competition for primary schools yesterday. Lydia Daukapo with more.
Ta'anga Primary School took first place in the competition, followed by Ohonua Middle School in second place, while Tufuvai Primary School secured third place. The competition was held yesterday at the Ewa High School Hall with an estimated 200 Class 6 students from primary schools across Ewa was taking part on the competition. The competition aims to encourage students to develop their mathematical knowledge and skills while strengthening their understanding and confidence in mathematics. The Soroban focuses on mental calculation without the use of calculators or any other tools. Students were assessed on their ability to provide answers both quickly and accurately, with speed and correctness determining the winners. The completion of the island competitions now continues to Tongatapu next week. The top-performing students from each division will then be selected to compete in the National Soroban competition, which is scheduled to take place in November. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
And the Fire and Emergency Services Commissioner warns parents and guardians to carefully monitor children of overusing of technological devices, as it could be potentially cause a fire. Let's take a look. Speaking to Radio Tonga News, the Fire Commissioner Viliamitu Ihalamaka said the concern is due to the continued advancement of technology, and children are now spending a lot of their time using technological devices while they are plugged into the electricity. This includes using phones while they are charging, as well as excessive use of gaming devices that are plugged into the television. There is also concern because the country's ground conditions are becoming increasingly dry during the dry season, and there's a strong warning for the people to be particularly careful when they are out and about. The concern is that the plantation is becoming drier, when stronger winds can cause bushfires to spread more quickly. There are early warning from the fire service to the people of the country because of the importance of taking precautions while there is still time. That is the local scenes for tonight. Sport is up next after this break with Pierre Ollier.
Welcome back in sport. The President 15 rugby team is in the final stages of preparations for next month's Kaume'awhi tournament. After 2 weeks of training, the manager Paula says the squad is focused and determined ahead of the match against the First Nations and Pacifica side on September 4th. Speaking to Radio and Television Tonga Sports News yesterday at the 4 rugby field, Paula said that 28 local players selected have shown good progress under head coach Perhegi Valu and his assistants, with improvements both individually and as a team. Next week, the team will shift to the Kolamatua Rugby Complex to access to more training facilities before going into camp ahead of the match. Akaola explained that the team is made up of players from the previous tournament, with any changes only due to injury. He also noted that players will not participate in district competitions are not eligible to join. He is urging the public to come out and support the team with 3 entry to the match. Akaola also acknowledged the commitment and sacrifice of the players who representing President 15. And that's sports news.
But before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. Take the Lead opens new office and Tonga first social impact incubation hub. Parliament calls for probe into government-funded rugby league trip for 26 people. And fire service warns of fire risk from children overusing of technology. And that's it for tonight. Thank you for your company. I'm Sonorita Tuivai. Good evening.